my beard like thicker and like fuller and longer.
Okay. So, Jody's question was how he gets his beard thicker. So let me kind of just break things down, because how I work, Jody, I just don't, just say, hey, use this product, because it's a lot deeper than that. Because you can use a product and it may not work for you, and then you waste your, you can waste your money and energy buying things that, if we understand exactly the root of it, we can avoid some of these things. So first and foremost, there's 3 factors actually that makes your beard thicker, and it's by this guy named Brian Lay. He did this study with his students, and you can go online and Google the physics fact book, and basically there's 3 factors. Each there's your diameter of hair you have. One is weather. So the weather can increase the diameter of your hair. So when we're born with a we're already predetermined what the diameter of our hair will be. So, however, as we age, just like when we were babies, our hair is very finer, but as we age, our hair gets thicker. Now, I'm not sure how old you are, and I'm not here I'm not here for you to announce that if that's not what you want to do. However, that is another factor. So weather, when it gets warmer, your beard gets the diameter of your beard increases. With age, the diameter of your beard increases as we hit that maturity space in terms of our hair. And then the last factor is the closer the root is, the closer the hair in the root is, the thicker it is. The further you get away from the root, the thinner it is. And that's any hair, your top of your hair, beard hair, women's hair, so on and so forth. Now, with that being said, there are some products out there that you can there are some products out there, or some things that you can use that can give you the sense that your beard is thicker and darker. One that I've talked about is Jamaican black castor oil, because it is a thicker oil. It will give your beard the illusion that it is thicker and it's darker. You also can dye your beard. Now, I do have a video out there where I talk about the difference between using chemical dye and natural dye. So, and I've done a video on that on my YouTube channel, and it is natural dye versus chemical based dye. So that's the other another way for you to get that thickness and get your beard to look and appear darker than what it is.